When you want to customize the UI and you find limitations using the declarative syntax, that's when you can use Visualforce. Visualforce is a tag-based language that is similar to HTML. It is proprietary of Salesforce, and like HTML, Visualforce pages run on any device that has a web browser installed. You can control the UI at a pixel level detail, and Visualforce pages are executed at the server. Here is a side-by-side comparison of a page that says Hello World in HTML and Visualforce. Visualforce pages are ultimately rendered into a markup. This means the developers can include Visualforce tags, force.com expressions, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Flash, or any code that can execute within the HTML page. There are a couple of benefits using it. Visualforce understands Salesforce metadata and provides access to respective UI elements. For example, it automatically adds a calendar drop-down for data entry fields when you have a date field. If you were to build this using HTML and JavaScript, you need a complete library for the calendar functionality itself. Here, the framework takes care of it. Visualforce pages are hosted by Salesforce, and they're tightly coupled with the Salesforce.com platform. Because of this, Visualforce pages display same performance as of standard Salesforce pages. And most of the time, recreate Salesforce standard look and feel. You can have an inline editor which renders the UI as you build it. It conforms to the model view controller architecture. Model is business data and the rules on how to use data. View is the UI. Controller is the logic that manages the interaction between the view and model. Here I have a sample Visualforce page. I want to show you what tags correspond to what elements. Every page starts with an apex page tag. Inside, we have a page block and a table, couple of columns, and an enhanced list. In the next lecture, I'll get you started on building our first Visualforce page.